With cooler temperatures here, it's time to make sure your furnace will keep your family warm. A comprehensive annual cleaning and safety inspection is the best way to ensure that your furnace operates efficiently and safely all winter.
Making sure your furnace is ready for the winter not only saves you money, but also keeps your family safe. Tune-ups will verify if carbon monoxide is present inside the home. It can identify parts not operating properly, even if the furnace is running. Regular maintenance, performed by a trained professional, can be required to maintain manufacturer's warranties. A functional furnace can prevent your pipes from freezing, particularly if you are away from home for an extended period of time. And finally, it ensures you have heat when you need it most, preventing emergency situations.
For more home improvement tips from AireServ, visit WLAJ.com.